Wow, you can feel it's really like a half human kind of feeling. 我动一下脸哦。It really feels like human, man. Okay, it's gonna do a flip. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. So now in day 2 of the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, and we're gonna check out all the exciting applications, more from a B to C world right now. That means business to consumer. So yesterday we spent a lot of time looking at robots. Today we're looking at applications that are more relevant to consumers. And just glancing it, there's a lot of healthcare, there's a lot of legal, there's a lot of video studio, and there's just too many. Yeah, let me just emphasize again that there is actually a phenomenal drive for AI for everything. That means everything can be AI-ized. Stop freaking thinking that, oh, my field is safe. I don't think AI can ever replace. I'm looking at all the Chinese right now. They come up with an AI for everything. My goodness, this is actually quite scary. But you know what? The positive news is this. If you adopt AI quickly, you can be ahead of the curve, ahead of everybody, and huge returns await those who dare to venture. So don't wait, do it now. I'm going to show you some of these applications. 啊，下巴放哪里啊？好，下巴放这里。掉了。
然后舌头伸一下，然后舌头抵住上颚。好了，好了。
哎呀。
这个呢？然后手掌拍一下。好了。
这个呢？把脉。
对，您手表需要摘一下。手腕。
换只手。好，要多久时间？
我已经现在发。
哦，现在发？
对。
哦，马上啊。 那个几个名医中医师的那个
方子放到大模型里面进行训练，然后我们用这个机器可以进行一些监测学习。
哦，是吗？多少个中医师的功夫在里面？
那不知道，那太多了，那名医特别多。
哦，
对，
是吗？它的准确度现在多少？
反正这几天大家都说挺高的，尤其是今天，因为前2天上海更热一些，
对，
然后更潮湿，大家会测出来都会有一些湿疹啊、外耳什么炎、湿炎呀什么的。像今天大家都会觉得稍微准一些。
这已经
今天天气凉快。
已经商业化了吗？
是有商业的。
哦。
有医用有商用，对。
有医用有商用。
就可以给医生用，然后也可以去放到一些茶饮店呀、中式的那种泡茶呀这种地方可以，也可以，然后包括一些养老院，他们都可以进行放这个。
是吗？
对，是的。然后还有一些别的一些应用场景，医疗服务的应用场景。
这个系统在新加坡有吗？
啊？
你们只在国内还是？
对，目前还在国内，还没有到国外。
哦，我可以发一个卡，给你一张卡吗？
可以。
然后你们有兴趣来新加坡的话，我们有兴趣。
哎，好的，
好不好？
好的。
好，谢谢你啊。
没关系的。
谢谢你。Oh, that's pretty cool, right? Wow, that's pretty amazing, man. There's TCM that is now being AI-ized. I never thought that's possible. So let's stop thinking that there are some traits that cannot be overtaken by AI. Almost every trait can be overtaken by AI. We better catch up with AI. She look gorgeous, right? 她可以讲话吗？
它是有网络的情况下可以讲话，现在没有网。
哦，没网哈。
它可以讲话，可以走路，然后面部也有表情。要我看你哪半页面？这边。
Wow, you can feel it's really like a half human kind of feeling. 我动一下脸哦。 It really feels like human, man. Really, silicone, I think.
能走的
Wow,
还有都不好。
look at that.
这个是不能走的，还有轮式底盘的。
主要的应用是在什么？
在家庭场景。
家里呢？陪伴。
对对。
那个能走的都不会太安全。
这样一台多少钱呢？
那个所有的。
这台现在是
249800。它的寿命多久？
寿命。
全世界最高的。
保用。保用期。
哦，我们是那个质保1年。
质保1年哈。电池能支持多久？
电池是它如果站立的话是4个小时，如果走的话2个小时。
它可以跟着走吗？
它可以走的。
它除了有什么动作？
动作它就可以走路呀。
除了走路。
哦，它还可以手臂上也有动作，可以拥抱啊、握手啊、挥手啊。
握手拥抱。哇，新闻呢？我只问而已。
您看的像是一个。
这些都是不同的样子吗？
啊。
这款是下半身不能动，它主要是在迎宾的场景。它上半身可以动，腰部、手部，它也可以对话。
多少个语言？语言
可以定制的。
英语、华语、日本语、韩语什么都可以。哦，哇哦，这只是半身的呀。
对，它下面是全硅胶的反针的腿。
哦，价格？
价格是它有四款价格，6万多到10万。
6万多到10万。
这边有价格。6万8到10万9800。
6万多10万9800。
6万8800。这它们的区别是主要是自由度不一样，就关节的数量不一样，然后还有底盘贵一点的是有移动底盘，然后这个是固定底盘，这个区别。
如果现在买马上有货，还是要等多久？
初期需要。
这个主要是。
1个月。
哈，1个月交货。海外可以运吗？可以运到海外吗？
应该可以吧。那位是我们老板。
老板啊，老板，你们海外可以运到海外吗？
可以啊。
可以哈。
可以啊。
不过保用要维修还是什么东西，要运回中国。
目前是这样。
哦。
那未来肯定会在海外有合作的点。
哦，是吗？
对。
哦，挺有趣的。对。好，谢谢你。
芯片认证都是现成的啊，那个芯片认证都现成的，
芯片都现成，
要认证一下，可以去那个很多国家通用的，日本的和欧美的电子通用的那个认证不一样。哦，因为它不是插电的，单独要认证。
好，你们新加坡有合作伙伴吗？
没有啊，
没有哈。
新加坡。
哦，有兴趣吗？来，我给你一张卡，来，这是我的卡，好，谢谢你。做你们的 local partner 那是最好。
好的，行，
好不好？谢谢你啊，谢谢你。来，我录一下。So what this company does is that they do 2 things. Number one is they do a consolidation all your memory across all LLMs, and so that you don't need to repeat all of them again and again when you interact with new LLMs and things like that. But that's not as exciting as the second one, of which they interconnect with all the AIs that's available. So when you ask a question, it's straight away sent to all LLMs, and that will help you figure out whether the LLMs are hallucinating. So they have agents that help you do that automatically. It's pretty cool. So there's a lot of AI application they're used for healthcare, like help you check your health, help you monitor your health, detect, recommend, panel of doctors behind and things like that. We see a lot. This is one theme. So this professional massage robot. So, but this is exactly the point where I always get. I don't know who this person is, but massage can now be done by robots. So this is a very interesting system. So So you can auto detect people who are falling down, and the AI will detect based on the CCTV that this gentleman has fallen down, and probably sound the alert and alarm. Okay, many use cases. Oh, so this lady fall down.
Yeah.
And then the system will capture victim down.
Yeah. And it's
Bystander.
a very
system.
detailed report as well.
Oh, second by second.
Yeah, second by second.
Is this in real time?
Not real time, second by second.
Oh, sorry. What I mean is, does it do the analysis?
Yeah,
in real time?
yes.
Oh, real time. So this lady,
Maybe you have to
little
allow
girl,
the AI
vomiting.
to process the video and generate
And
these
then-
kinds of like reports and
How
really.
much time on it?
I think they from as long as we know, because the founder is not here today.
but they can just use. 我翻译一下哈. They can just use. If you get a stroke, half your body is being hurt. Let's say your hands are not in action anymore. It will help you reconnect all your senses, and then whenever you think about moving your hands, this thing will move. So it will stimulate your senses to reconnect. It's pretty cool, man. Price is about 2 million RMB for hospital. But you can see, right, using AI to do that is pretty cool. So we saw a lot of healthcare AI. Healthcare that actually set up hospitals, healthcare that can detect early dementia, depression, and stroke and all sorts of stuff. Healthcare that can help in the recovery and things like that. So I think this is a very big thing, and I think it's very possible that human can live longer life because of an improvement, leapfrogging of AI driven healthcare standards and technology.
治疗药物难治性癫痫的
药物什么？
癫痫，
癫痫是什么？英语怎么讲癫痫？
我英语
哦 ，epilepsy， 羊癫是吗？
啊对对对
羊癫有点，
羊
羊癫这种 ，OK。
然后它的作用原理是需要在我们颅骨上，就是这里磨一个槽，然后把我们的刺激器放进去，然后再对应的在那个癫痫病灶植入对应的电极，它癫痫发作的时候会产生一个异常的电信号，我们那个电极可以识别到它那个异常电信号，然后我们处理器再给它一个正向的电刺激，然后对冲掉，这样子它那个癫痫发作就会慢慢的减少。
这个的寿命多久
这个大概在10年左右。
？10年，这10年后要再换一台，
对。
只是换电线呢？要换这台还是换电线也要换？
换这个。
哦，像这是放在那个头盖骨。
在头盖骨上面。
上面没有开到头骨。
要磨出来这么一块。
哦，是吗？开到那个脑里面吗？
不是，头皮下面。
啊。
头皮下面那个头骨上面要磨一个槽，然后再把它放进去。
So for people with epileptic seizure, this is a 10-year electric solution, and they carve a cavity in your skull, and then they send the electric pulses to help you overcome it. 所以也就是说，他们这个羊癫发作的时候，它就产生这些电波，让它反羊癫的一个行为。哦，恢复率多少？恢复率？
它是一个慢慢降低它发作频率的一个效果，大概在50到70之间。
50到70，你们已经有应用了吗？在什么国家还是本地？
本地，在杭州，然后上海、北京这边有一些大医院做我们的临床试验。
哦，这还没有人在用啊？
人在用，但是不能售卖。
哦。
是临床试验跟医院合作的。
好，准确度呢？这两个
也都在80-90。
80-90啊？
对，
哇，
蛮高的。
不错嘞。好，我拿你一个张。
好嘞。
好，谢谢你啊。Wow, they can do up to 80-90% accuracy in predicting Alzheimer, stroke early detection, and even depression early detection. That's pretty amazing. So what we have right now is Grab has already created all these machines to do delivery for Grab food, Grab logistics, and all sorts of things. So Grab, Logistic, Shopee Logistic, Lala Move and all this, tomorrow can be run by all these machines. They can move a few kilometers and they can, with their hands, they can even press the lift and things like that. So it's actually pretty cool. Yeah. So you tell me whether the Grab logistic workers will be replaced by these machines. We have right now is a AI medical assistant. So it does pre-consultation. So with a screen, they could detect. With a screen, they could detect some of your issues. You can do some pre-consultation, ask some questions. So the key thing is cutting down the time taken for consultation and increase the accuracy of diagnosis. So it's pretty impressive. We've seen this again and again in many other platforms, but this one is another one. So the world is changing towards medical doctors becoming more accurate and efficient. So another thing happening in a very big way are AI studios. So if you take a look at it, there are many companies that right now help in film production, commercials production, and all this game production. They can create actually very good videos. Look at this, man. Yeah. Movies right now are pretty good grades. Yes, some things like that, not as realistic human actor replacement, but very interesting way of creating exciting shows to watch. So you take a look at this. Wow. Okay. All these are very easy production. You know, if with some prompt, maybe half a day you can create a film like this. Isn't this pretty amazing? Wow. Take a look at the next one. So, and take a look at this commercial. So they are selling a Pao Mian right now, and the way it's created, it's truly amazing, right? Wow. Imagine how long does it take to create this? Just a matter of minutes instead of a few months of creation. This is for a perfume, and it's just a few lines of prompt and you created it. The world is different right now. We gotta adapt very quickly to it. Wow, look at this also. This Ang Mo movie. The Ang Mo movie right now is also created by AI. Wow. It's pretty cool, right? So this one is not new, but I think this company takes it really very well. You throw in your floor plan and just with a line of code or a few lines of code, you can design your house very incredibly. And then what you can do is that it interconnects with other furniture supplier and so on, then and subcontractors, and straight away they can build this whole thing for you. They are already in Singapore in a very big way. Not just this company, many companies are now in Singapore from China eating the interior designs lunch. This is insane. This is a company that does cloth coat for hardware. That means that you just think of anything you wish to build. What it does is that you put in a line of code and then you will build the hardware for you. So what it does is that it of course does the design, and after that they link up all the China supply chain for you and build the item you want. It's pretty amazing. So you can build anything you want, right? You just put in a particular idea that you have, throw inside the system. You will make the design for you, and then you send it into the China supply chain factories and make it for you. That's incredible. So it can build anything for you. Can you see that? Anything that you want. That's really what I call an AI for everything. So this is a company. Basically, it's a lawyer replacement service. So with this, they have actually encapsulated everything you need from a lawyer, and from litigation, conveyancing, and contracting and everything. So it helps you lower your legal costs, and more importantly, it also helps you provide alternative to a lawyer. Now, they also have a bucket that helps lawyers to improve their services as well, so that your operation cost as a lawyer gets lowered down as well. So legal, I'm telling you right now, in this field, AI is going to really hit this industry really very hard. This is quite interesting. It's called 美人制造. So what it does is that it provides a soulmate personal consultant for ladies of all ages, help you, give you advice on relationship, work, family, health, and so on. So it specializes in ladies. I don't know, I'm gonna ask you guys how do you find this? So I saw it as like, you know, they gather at least 10 over 1,000 case studies and collect expert opinions as well. And I think behind them is probably some ladies consultants and things like that in the psychologists. And they gather this and put it into an app. And I thought that was quite cool. Just wondering how to make money out of this thing. It's I don't know, what do you think? Those are ladies, you can let me know whether you use this. Wow, just look at this. That's what I'm thinking. So these are the robots here that can climb stairs, deliver stuff, probably carry a kamikaze bomb on it or a GPMG. That's pretty cool, right? Wow. I think SAF better get this quickly or something like this, right? Okay, it's gonna do a flip. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. Okay. Wow. Tell me that's cool. Okay, that's pretty cool. Wow. Wow. 它的重量多少啊？
重量15公斤。
它能拿多重的东西？
可以拿运动的话，可以搬运20公斤。
20公斤啊？
如果是静态的话，可以做到70-80公斤的人坐上面。
So after a hunt of today, actually we're all very tired, and I think the exciting news is this, that AI makes the barrier of moving into new developments, new productivity, and all the possibilities now possible. And I actually think that we should quickly adopt it, because the Chinese AI developers, the Chinese AI companies are moving into Singapore fast and rapid as well. Almost every company I met here, small company, 2-man show, 3-man show, 4-man show, the minute they have something up and running, they move right into Singapore. So I think we need to be as hungry, if not more hungry than them. Now, if we can't develop AI, which most of us cannot, then let's quickly learn it, receive it, and quickly apply it, and then we can co-create value out of it. So the first thing everybody needs to do is to freaking learn AI as quickly as possible, not some simple ChatGPT, Gemini, whatsoever. Use it as a Google replacement. Learn how to create automation, learn how to create agents, know how to deploy all of them in a big, fantastic way, and your life will change tremendously. Believe me not, this is the world right now. This is the world of AI, and it's here today.